Entire project officer with AMREF Health Africa and a champion against female genital mutilation, has returned to the country after attending the Time 100 Gala event, which was held in New York City. Nailantei was named one of the Times 100 annual list of the world's most influential people. She received the honor for her work with Maasai communities in Kenya to end the practice of female genital mutilation. Nailantei was only 8 years old when she ran away from her home to avoid being subjected to FGM and endure beatings, but still refused to undergo FGM. She eventually convinced her grandfather, a Maasai leader, to allow her to continue going to school.
Next time, I don't want to be in the Time 100 again. I want younger girls like Nikki, Sabina, all the champions that we are working with. My work is to empower them, to mentor them, and to make sure that they become women of their dreams. So I'm hoping next time they are the ones who will be there. Only through education that we are able to end all these harmful traditional practices. So my work is to make sure that all girls have the opportunity to go to school.
What she has achieved is a great inspiration for all girls, not only in Kenya, but across Africa, that girls can stand for what they believe in. They can pursue their dreams. So far, we have managed to reach 15,000 girls working with her, they have escaped female genital cutting, mutilation, as well as child marriages. But there are so many more. There are millions across Africa who still run the risk of female genital cutting and child marriages. So I think we are just beginning.